look like an idiot. How's my hair? Okay, everything's good. So I'm myself. But hey, yeah. Like, hello, YouTube. I hope you're doing great. Let me introduce myself. My name is Costel. I'm for the very first time in front of the camera. Probably I look like an idiot. But that's the life. I don't really care how I look. Yeah. Okay. So I'm a self-taught artist. If you check my other videos, my previous videos, I have like more than 100 videos of paintings. I'm painting in acrylics, I'm painting in oil, from landscapes to portraits to figures, abstract. I'm just doing experiments so much. I like experimenting, you know, stuff. And yeah, you can check my other videos. But now it's like I don't know, how should I call it, a step up or something? I don't know. I have no idea. But it's my dream for a long time to start airbrushing. So I just bought this bad boy. Yeah, this is a Japanese Iwata Eclipse HPCS. It looks like this. Yeah, so it's a really cool thing. I tried it maybe 1 hour, so I don't have experience, but like I said, I like experimenting. I'm a self-taught, and I will be forever. I'll never be an expert or something, as you can see in my previous videos. So let me show you more. This is my compressor. Just bought it. This is a cheap one, cheap compressor. It's okay for beginners like me. Yeah, and I have more gears. Like I bought let me show you. So I bought how is it called, spray boot, I think it's called. So it's a extractor, yeah, little pipe, and it's so noisy. I can adjust the lighting. Oh, that's so much light. Yeah, so this is the thing. So I'm gonna do it. From the next video, if you are with me, you're gonna see I will start practicing. I will do so many things, I hope. So I will try. I will do some practice. Also, I'm working full time, like 5 days a week, if I have a little bit of time in the evening, but probably not, only in weekends. And yeah, I have a plan to, in the future, yeah, of course, when I will get comfortable with this thing, yeah, I will do some t-shirts. Probably I will paint some objects, like cool stuff, who knows, different things. I'll paint on canvas. Yeah, it's, yeah, experimenting. So thanks so much for watching. Thank you for being with me, and I will really appreciate your support if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because it's a real struggle to grow it. Real struggle. Yeah, but hey, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Cheers. Rock on.